Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are going to show you almost 230 plus wooden cutlery or wooden utensils used in house or kitchens. Wooden cutlery market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 5% during the forecast period 2019 to 2029 Future Market Insight. Growing demand for single-use wooden cutlery from QSRs and safe to replace single-use plastic cutlery is expected to drive the wooden cutlery market growth. Valley Cottage, NY, October 03, 2019. A new market research report by Future Market Insights on the wooden cutlery market includes the Global Industry Analysis 2014 to 2018 and Opportunities Assessment 2019 to 2029. The report analyzes the wooden cutlery market and provides critical insights for the forecast periods 2019 to 2029. As per the findings of the report, the global wooden market is projected to experience significant growth over the forecast period due to multiple driving factors. The global wooden market is estimated to reach a value of $150 million in 2019 and expand at a CAGR of 5% during the forecast period. In the report, FMI suggests that the wooden cutlery are the better alternative to plastic and steel cutlery, owing to its eco-friendly and biodegradable properties. The global market for wooden cutlery has been segmented on the basis of product, end use, sale channel, and region such as North America, Latin America, Europe, South Asia, East Asia, MEA, and Oceania. As the global sustainability drive continues to reach new heights, a number of end users, especially food service industry, are leaning towards green solutions and biodegradable products, resulting in surge of the demand of wooden cutlery. Tapping into opportunities in new sectors and regions where restrictions have imposed on the use of single-use plastic will remain key to gaining competitive advantages for the market players, according to the FMI's analysis. FMI's study analysis that North America is expected to remain at the forefront of the global wooden cutlery market throughout the forecast period. In North America, the wooden cutlery market is expected to be driven by increase in number of single-person households along with increase in living standards and changing lifestyles. Rapid adoption of online food services in this region has further escalated the demand for wooden cutlery. Simultaneously, increasing demand for biodegradable cutlery and growing awareness towards the ill effects of plastic will continue to contribute to the growth of the wooden cutlery market. East Asia holds significant share in the global wooden cutlery market and is expected to attain notable CAGR during the forecast period. In East Asia, China is foreseen to remain prominent market accounting for half of the revenue share during the forecast period. China, with low labor cost and high effective and efficient workers, produce large volume of wooden cutlery. Wooden cutlery made in China are available at comparatively low prices and are exported in large volume to other regions. In South Asia, India is expected to remain prominent market for wooden cutlery. Online food delivery system is growing at tremendous pace in this region with evolving organized food service retail chains. Escalating demand for convenience among customers has resulted in increased delivery of food and cutlery consumption. The trend of using biodegradable and eco-friendly cutlery is increased in this region. Due to awareness program carried out by wooden cutlery market players such as Pepco Greenware against the effect of single-use plastic cutlery. Such trends are thus expected to fuel the growth of the wooden cutlery market in South Asia. In this report, Future Market Insight has presented several strategies adopted by the key players in the wooden cutlery market, tracked by an analysis of the current developments. The key players which have been profiled in the report on the wooden cutlery market includes Huhtamaki Group, Oid, Shifast, Kitchen Accessories, Medi, Cutlery Company, Echo, Gecko Products, Coxon, Lio Wooden Products, Bamboo LLC, Volterra Dinnerware, Leafware LLC, Biopack UK Limited, Wegware Limited, Biofuture, BV, Ecowave, biodegradables, rag fills, Eland Private Limited, natural tableware, Packen wood, Barton, fabrics, wooden products, Greenwood Industries, and Papco Greenware, among others. Future Market Insight is a leading market intelligence and consulting firm. We deliver syndicated research reports, custom research reports, and consulting services which are personalized in nature. So, here are many ideas for you that why and when you can change your cutlery into wooden utensils. So, choose from this video and gain an idea about it. And if you find the idea from this video, then must share with us and also share with your friends and family members. Thank you.